3 months ago, almost to the date, gold broke above 1,300 following the surprise Brexit vote in the UK. Since then, the market has really been struggling to break any higher. At the same time, we've also been finding support in this 1,300 area. Once again, we're looking ahead to some key risk events later this week. We've got the Bank of Japan meeting and the FOMC meeting both coming up, and the market is currently looking for guidance and direction from these meetings. But what is quite apparent over the past 3 months is the market has become a bit stale. We have seen investment demand remain solid. Something like $127 billion are currently invested through ETFs and through futures. And these investors will obviously be looking for further upside in the near term. The problem there is that the fact that we have failed really to move higher on the back of the continued positive outlook with the low growth globally and with the very low interest rates, it seems like the market at this stage, probably the best thing that could happen to the market is that we see a deeper correction. Currently we are trading within a 1305 to 1325 area. If we should, for whatever reason, or get some news that takes gold below 1,300, then we can get a real test whether the market is still in an upward trend. We believe it is, and think we'll find solid support down towards the 1250 area. Also, from a longer term perspective, we have been banging our head against a big level of resistance around the 1375, 1380 area. It's a trend line from the peak back in 2011. It's also a 38.2% retracement of that sell-off we had between 11 and 15. So in order really to get enough momentum in the market to break that level, we probably need to come from a lower level than where we are at the moment. So in the short term, we're probably cautious of entering into longs at this stage. We prefer to see a test below 1,300. We think 1250 will hold, and eventually, for the longer term perspective, we will make it back above 1375. But at the moment, there are some short-term risks, especially with the FOMC and Bank of Japan meetings coming up.